Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to change the button text font in our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website and I have a button right here and we will change the text font of this button. So what we want to do, we can go to settings, and if you want to change some other things right here like the actual text and the icon beside it, you can edit this one as well. So again, going back, we can just go to design, and then in order to change the button text font, we will click on customize design and we will go to text, and we can now see the font style right here. So if you want to change the font style into a heading so that it will be bigger or smaller, you can do so as well. For example, I'll make this into heading 5, and then we can now see that the button has increased its font size because it is in heading 5 style. And then for the font style, like for the actual look of the font, we have the Helvetica. So if you want to change this, just click on it and you will have a variety of options in your settings. So for example, I want to choose this one, and then we can see that it will be reflected into our button. I want to choose a different one like this one, stencil. So we can now see that it looks like this. So we can change the size of our button and then go back to design. Then from here, you can change the font size if you want. You can make it bold. You can make it italic. You can underline it. You can also have a strike through. And you can also change the capitalization if you want to. But the actual font style doesn't allow it. But if we change to a different one, we can change the capitalization. And you can also change the character spacing if you want, and the line spacing, and also some shadows if you want to add some shadows like that. But since it doesn't look that good, so we can just remove it. And then that is it. That is how you change the button text font in your Wix website, and I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.